that will be the one I get. Let's go on. This is like a shorter version of it. So let's go. We made it.
Seatbelt fastened in your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. And please supervise children. Thank you. La estación de control de cinturones de seguridad está a la vuelta del escenario. Welcome to the sim track. We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. SIM car performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM car off-road and extreme weather deployment. Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles do when it comes to their efficiency.
Responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test. Displaying power test results. SIM track performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance testing. You'll be able to see how your Chevrolet custom concept vehicle designs compares with the SIM car after you disembark. Please watch your step as you exit.